Welcome to Sugarcane AI. I am Ravinder, co-founder at Sugarcane AI. In this video, we'll learn about Sugarcane AI's open source and no-code Gen AI application builder. At the end of this demo video, you will be able to build and launch your first Gen AI application without any coding. So let's start with imaginations. Let's look at these images where we visualized famous celebrities visiting Ayodhya temple during Ram temple inauguration. In this world, it is not difficult to generate such images. If you can write a basic prompt, you can go to platforms like Bing, Gemini, Midjourney, and generate such fascinating images for various use cases. However, it becomes really difficult using multiple LLMs. Searching and experimenting with right prompts is also a repetitive task. Additionally, there is no tooling available to search, experiment, and share prompts with your friends or colleagues or social media. Even today, we have to copy paste prompts to use and share on different platforms. So, what's the solution? But before that, let's see a live demo. We call such applications SugarCube. So, this is an example of a SugarCube. Just build images for celebrities in Ayodhya. All the images you have seen on the previous screen were generated using the SugarCube. So, without wasting time, let's try to generate a new image for our favorite celebrity. Let's try to do it for Virat Kohli. All I have to do, put depending on the input, and click on submit. Once we click on submit, the image will be generated. So here we have the image of Virat Kohli, definitely looking a less like Virat Kohli, right? But this is the entire concept of SugarCube application. Let's try to generate one more image for Amitabh Bachchan. All I have to do is write the name of Amitabh Bachchan and click on submit. And here we have image of our beloved Amitabh Bachchan ji visiting Ram Ayodhya temple. So this is the magic of a SugarCube. All you have to write the input and you are able to generate such images with just a single click. So what do you think? We need to build such an application. First is some well-written prompts, APIs to enable logics, LLM integration, inference, etc., and definitely a large language model, and some paid subscriptions to use these features. It will be really important to mention that they are on platforms like OpenAI, which have better task-specific accuracy than just using OpenAI. And this is not just the end. Even after you have all these things at your perusal, you will have to code for 50 to 100 hours to bring your application live. But how much it really takes to build such a SugarCube? With Sugarcane AI's no-code UI Builder, you can create a SugarCube application. All you need to know is a prompt. All other requirements like LLM, relevant APIs, are pre-built into the no-code UI Builder. Sugarcane AI is a no-code platform to bundle prompts, LLMs, and other APIs as a single API and launch a generative AI application without any coding experience. Sugarcane AI helps you to build your first generative AI application 20 times faster. So let's start building our first Gen AI application. You have to come to website sugarcaneai.dev and click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you will be redirected. Once you sign in with your Google account, you will be asked to select your email ID and you will come to the home page. Once you log in, you will land on this home screen. Here, you will have access to Sugar Factory, which is the playground for creating SugarCube applications, and Sugar Hub, which is a marketplace for ready-made prompt applications. We will see SugarCube later. First, we will start with Sugar Factory. We'll click on Sugar Factory and you will be able to see a lot of prompt packages which are created for you, right? Let's try to create a new package for our SugarCube application. To create a new package, you have to create prompt package and you have to give name to your package. Let's name this package learning package, right? You have to make sure that these things are in the small and only hyphen is allowed in this. Here you have to write the description of the package. This can be anything related to your package, which will help you to identify the package on the marketplace. So let's just make this a package to learn how to create SugarCube, right? So you can write any description you want. Now the important part is public and private packages. If you are making a public package, you will be able to place and your friends, colleagues, and other people will be able to view that package. If you make it a private package, it will be only you who will be able to use and see this package. So since we are creating a public package so that everyone can use it, let's create a public package. Once you click on confirm, your package will be created. Post this, you will be redirected to the individual package screen. Here, first you have to select a model type, right? So there are two types of applications you can create. As we have shown you earlier, it was a text to image kind of package. Something where you give a text instruction and you get a text output, which is similar to ChatGPT. In text to image, you're giving a text input and getting an image output. We will first create a text to image prompt. Later on, we will see how to create a text to text prompt. Post this, you have to select the model you want to use, right? There are different models which are available on the platform like OpenAI, Runway ML, Prompt Hero, Stability AI. These are different type of providers of LLMs, right? As we told you earlier also that you don't have to bother which LLM to bring. You can just select the LLM. We choose Stability AI here, which is very good in its image generation capacity, and select the model. So the model provided by Stability AI is Stable Diffusion. After this, you will name your prompt template. As I have earlier told you, there are three layers: prompt package, prompt templates, and prompt versions. So to create your template, you will have to give your template a name. Here, the most important thing is the name of your SugarCube application will also be this name, right? So we have seen when we were defining celebrities in Ayodhya, the same way we will create a package name, let's just say Elon Musk images, or maybe say celebrity images only. Celebrity dash hyphen images. You cannot give space here, right? Let's just name this celebrity funny images to be sure, right? So you, instead of space, you have to give hyphen and give this name. Post that, you can give a description that this is a cube to generate funny celebrity images, right? So this becomes the description. So the description and the name will be visible on SugarCube, right? And you will not be able to change the name of the package or name of the template, while you can change the description. So while you are creating this template, make sure you select the most appropriate name for this. Once you click on confirm, the template will be saved and your first template version will be automatically created, right? Here we have a window where we can, let's try to create our first prompt for a celebrity, right? I'm going to write a basic prompt here. Generate an image of, maybe we can say Elon Musk is a celebrity riding horse on planet, maybe we can say Earth, right? So this becomes a prompt for me that I want to generate an image of Elon Musk riding a horse on planet Earth. This is a very basic image prompt which I've written. Once I write this prompt, all I have to do click on the run, and the prompt will be executed on Stability AI. You don't have to go to Stability AI separately. The prompt will give an output here itself, right? So we have an image of Elon Musk riding a horse on planet Earth. This is very basic form of how you can write a prompt on the playground and generate an output, right? Now let's just try to move towards creating a SugarCube application, right? The most important part of an application is the ability to reuse it multiple times, right? As we have seen in the celebrity in Ayodhya application also, there was the name of the celebrity which was kept as a variable, right? Because we want to generate images of different celebrities using the same application. So now, from this single prompt, what we will try to do is try to create this into an application where we can generate different kind of outputs using the same application, right? So since we have named it celebrity fun images, so let's try to rename this or convert this into an application which will generate images of different type of celebrities riding a horse on planet Earth. Now to define a variable, right? A variable is a field which changes with every run. So we have to use the syntax. We have to use curly braces at the rate and give name of the variable, right? So here name of the variable for us is name of the celebrity, right? So now this name of the celebrity has been identified as a variable, and we can see in the variables there is a section which asks for the data of name of the celebrity. Now I can pass different names here, right? Last time we ran this with Elon Musk. We will try to run this with Elon Musk again, right? I give name of the celebrity, I can enter the variable and click on run. Once I click on run, the prompt will get executed again on the Stability AI LLM, right? But this time, instead of using the hard-coded value of Elon Musk, it will derive a value from the variable, right? And once whatever value we are providing in the name of the celebrity field, that value will be used to generate an image. So now we have one more amazing image of Elon Musk. He's again riding a horse, right? Now, instead of Elon Musk, if I want to generate something similar for Donald Trump, maybe, right? So I don't have to change my prompt. All I have to change is the input of the prompt, right? I have to just change this variable which is on the right hand side, right? Once I click on Donald Trump and click on run, the prompt will again get packaged and go to the LLM and will try to generate an image using Donald Trump in the prompt instead of Elon Musk. So we can see that we see a funny Donald Trump riding a horse here, right? So you understand the concept of variable, that I have converted the celebrity name as a variable. Now these variables can be different variables, right? Matlab right now we have been telling that name of the celebrity is a variable. Now I want to say maybe I don't want everything on Earth, right? I want to make planet as a variable. I just put a curly braces at the rate planet. Now planet is one more variable for me, right? So if you remember the first prompt, we have written generate an image of Elon Musk riding a horse on planet Earth. Now instead of Earth, I have made it a variable. The name of the celebrity has been converted into a variable. Now for the variable, I can write Mars, right? Or I can write Earth again. So this is a variable, and that's the beauty of how a variable can be used, right? Now if I click on run for this prompt, right? Now name of the celebrity will be picked as Donald Trump and the name of the planet will be picked as Mars. Now if I click on run, the image which will be generated from this prompt, right, or the prompt which will go to the large language model will be generate an image of Donald Trump riding a horse on planet Mars, right? So that's how you can see that how we can change the input of a prompt using different variables, right? So now you can see Donald Trump with the backdrop of Mars is driving a horse, right? So that's the fun of writing a prompt. You can write any amazing prompt. It can be a single line prompt, 5 line prompt. You can go as detailed as much as possible for writing these prompts, right? And you can again and again use different type of variables to define these fields which you want to change in your application. Now, once you have written this prompt, right? Now, the best part, how to create this is in an application, because that's the major USP, right? That we want to use this and share this with our friend. Right now, if I have to share this with my friend, it's literally not possible, right? Or either I have to copy this prompt and give it to my friend that you also try to run this on some platform. Now, instead of giving this prompt, after I have done all the iterations with my prompt, I can click on Publish Cube, right? The moment I click on Publish Cube, it will ask me whether you want to do it for an internal use or whether you want to do it for a public use. Since we want to give this to our friend, right, and ask him to use this application, we select Release for public use and click on Publish. The moment we click on Publish, the prompt will be deployed as a SugarCube application, right? One more part is that if you want to use this as an API somewhere, you can always use this API. But in this video, we will learn about SugarCubes only. So once you click on publish, the SugarCube will be deployed and the prompt will be available in front of an application. Now you can just click on this link and hurrah, we have a small application with the name Celebrity Funny Images. The description of the application is that this is a cube to generate funny celebrity images. And we have the prompt here. You can see the prompt that generate the image of a celebrity riding a horse on planet this. And you have all variables. Now I can write whichever celebrity, maybe say Virat Kohli and riding on planet Mars again, right? And once I click on submit and wait for some time, I will be able to see the output. So here we have Mr. Virat Kohli riding a horse on planet Mars, right? So you have to understand that the quality of the image will always depend on the prompt which you are writing. You can write a prompt as detailed as possible. You can make different variables into this prompt, right? And try to generate these images. To share this SugarCube with your friends, all you have to do is either click on share and the link can be shared with any of your friends, or you can just copy this link and share with your friends. Once they click on this link, they will land on this screen and they will be able to use this application on their phones, right? Now let's just see that once I have created an application and if I want to make any changes to this prompt, right, how to do it. All I have to click on fork, right? Fork is a little technical word, which means that we want to copy this template. I click on fork and define a new template version, right? These are the versions as you can see, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03. These are the different level of prompts which you will create. You have to just click on create and a new prompt version will be created with the same prompt. Now, if I want to make some changes in this prompt version, right, that right now I was saying generate an image of celebrity riding a horse on planet this. So now instead of horse, I want to say that I want to make this also a variable, right? So now I have three variables, name of the celebrity, riding an animal on planet this, right? And all I have to do is click on Publish Cube again, right? So any changes to be reflected to the application, SugarCube application, you have to click Publish and come back to the link. Next time when you refresh the link, an extra animal field is already added to this. right? So the interesting part, you don't have to change your prompts again and again. And even if you want to change your prompt, right, that maybe you have given this link to any of your friend and he's using this application, or if you have made an application which your colleagues are using, and if you want to change the prompt, right, definitely you have to change the prompt depending on the output, depending on the feedback of the people, right? So you will have to change the prompt. So once you change the prompt, you don't have to change the link. The link remains same, right? Now we have this thing that I would say Virat Kohli riding on an animal. We can say elephant and maybe say Mars, right? So now I have changed that. Earlier it was just name of the celebrity. Now I have three variables: name of the celebrity, animal which he'll be riding, and planet Mars, right? Once I click on submit, the new image will be generated based on the new parameters, right? Let's just wait for a couple of seconds. So this is the beauty of SugarCube application, right? That once you writing just a single prompt, you can convert that prompt into an amazing application. No need to bother about the things. And once the application is created, you can share this and make changes at the back end. So this guy does not look much like Virat Kohli. Definitely we'll have to put more variables or more data for the LLM to understand that we want Virat Kohli here, right? But we are able to change the output of the prompt package or the SugarCube application like this. So this is a perfect example where we have shown that how text to image kind of applications can be created. Now just quickly let's go back and try to create a text to text kind of output, right? All I have to do is come create a new template because this was a celebrity funny images. I'll make it a little fast. This time I will select text to text kind of output. For text to text, we have Llama, Mistral, OpenAI, different kind of output. Let's just take Llama here. Model 7B parameters, 13B parameters. These are the different type of models which you understand that Llama, which Llama provides. And let's just maybe say HR letters. Let's try to be a little professional here that HR letters, right? So what is this cube doing? That generate, I would say generate letters for HR for various scenarios, right? As last time I told, make sure you name the sugar cube. This name of the template will be visible on the sugar cube. What we have put there, right? We have last time we have put celebrity funny images. This time we are putting HR letter, right? So this name will be visible there. So make sure you put a relevant name. Generate letters for HRs for various scenarios, right? I click on confirm, and yes, now I have a text to text template, right? You can see here it's written text to text. Now I have to act just like an HR, just write a prompt, basic prompt here, right? That you have to act like an HR multinational company and write emails to your employees, right? This is a basic prompt which we have written, right? Once I click on run, this prompt will be running. It will go to Llama and try to get an output for us. So Llama has started doing that. How to write this, how to ensure as a mid-sized company, it is responsible to ensure it try to show, give you values when an employee, right? Apart from writing the mail also, it is giving a lot of responses. You know how LLMs hallucinate, right? Definitely we have to put some data, more clarity in the prompt, but this is how the entire output will come. And if we want to make this maybe say application which your HR can use, right? So for topic, I'm saying maybe leave policy. Instead of leave policy, I just make it a variable, right? Right. So now topic is a variable. You have to act like a HR of a multinational company and write email to your employees for this. Give, or rather, let me just multinational company and let me just make some changes to the prompt. Give me an email written to the employees your organization for topic this, right? I hope, see, writing a prompt is definitely dependent on you. You can write whatever prompt you want, you can make any versions of the prompt, and definitely when you're dealing with LLM, you have to make different kind of prompts, right? So here I have written, you have to act like an HR of a multinational company. Give me an email written to the employees of your organization for topic this. Now I can say holiday or maybe say leave policy. Now, instead of writing the topic here, I am putting this as a leave policy here and click on run. It will give me some output. This was the output which we got like very much with hallucination last time. This time we are getting a perfect mail. That subject, leave policy update, effective immediately. Dear employee, I hope this. It is just email for you, right? Now, if I have to make this in an application, right? This can be converted into an application. And last time I show you, you can make n number of variables, right? For topic, name of the employee, name of the organization, anything you want, you can create any level of prompt here, right? Writing a prompt is definitely your expertise, right? Wherever you have to use something which is variable can be used in this format. I'm repeating the format. Curly braces, at the rate, and the name, whatever I will write here, topic for email, right, will be named as the variable name. You can see topic name, leave policy. And how do I convert this into an application? All I have to do, click on Publish Cube, click on Release, since we want to do it for a public use, and click on Publish. And here we are. Just click on this, click on the link. Here is the application. This is the application, HR letters. What is the purpose of this? Generate letters for HRs for various scenarios. All your HR has to do, leave policy, right? Once you click on this, it will give you an output depending on the prompt, right? It started writing your email for you. You can always copy this, the output from here and share it. Different kind of sugar cubes can be created here, right? This is something which we have tried to do for an HR, right? Maybe you can say grammar check, writing emails, creating creatives for your organization, or writing some kind of notices. Anything can be converted into a SugarCube application from a single prompt, right? You can write any type of application here and try to create things here, right? A prompt can be any level of prompt, right? So I hope you would have understood that how to create a text to text kind of application. And before this, we have learned how to create a text to image kind of application. What I want to show you is that the kind of prompts which you can write, right? There are some prompts which I have written. I will just show you some prompts, or rather, let's just go to Ramlala Cube, Sugar Cube, which we have created. I'll just show you how creatively I have written that prompt. Maybe just give me a second. If you refresh this page, right? So you land on your prompts package, and we have Ramlala prompts here, right? So Ramlala, Bollywood and Ayodhya. So this is a prompt which I have written at there. Name of the actor from Bollywood in Temple in Ayodhya, front facing, street tour, in the style of Sudarshan Patnaik, emotive, Samuel Silva, dignified poses, right? So you can see, you can write a prompt in any possible way. It can be as elaborative, as descriptive as you want, right? Bollywood's in Ayodhya, celebrity in Ayodhya. Look at this prompt. Generate a respectful and cultural sensitive image featuring a public, name of the celebrity, and description, which are given as a variable. During their visit to Temple Ayodhya, envision the celebrity in a respectful and contemplative posture, surrounded by sacred ambience of temple. Design attires, reflect blend of this. This is the level of prompt which I have written for Ayodhya cube, which I showed you earlier, right? So there is no limit, there is no boundary on the kind of prompt which you have to write. Write whatever you want to push it as a variable. Just click on that as a variable, click on Publish Cube, release, publish. Got it? That's all we do. And the moment we do this, we get an application which is live, hosted for you. Copy this link, share it with your friends. They can also use this application, right? When they click on this, they will also land on this screen, and all they have to just write the name of the celebrity again, right? Let's just try this with Elon Musk again before we go back, right? So this is the benefit of Sugar Cubes, right? So this is the playground which we have, right? You can create different version of the prompts. Just click on create. Multiple prompt versions can be created. You can make different versions. You want to create a template, you can create template. All your templates will be visible here, right? You want to edit a template, you can edit a template. Two things which you have to take care, that when you are creating a template, the name which you are giving there will be visible as the name of your sugar cube, right? And the description will be visible as description. You can always change the description, but you will not be able to change the name of the sugar cube. So make sure when you are creating a sugar cube, you put the right name there. So now we have seen how can we create such amazing applications. But what are the key benefits of using SugarCube applications? The first and more important is reuse as a SugarCube use the ready-made prompts for multiple scenarios. You don't have to write the prompts again and again and build multiple applications for multiple scenarios. SugarCube applications simplifies the shareability and it remains same for a particular template. You don't have to copy paste prompts again next time to share with your friends. And the most important part of Sugarcane AI platform is the prompts marketplace. You can explore various reusable prompts and SugarCube. So let's start building our first Gen AI application and explore the awesome technology of Sugarcane AI. For any doubts, you can always reach out to us on hi@sugarcaneai.dev or visit our website for more demo videos. Thank you.